Okay, let's discuss the various sounds of the letter A. The A sounds in American English are similar to the O sounds. We have quite a few different sounds with this spelling. So here's our diagram, and we're going to go through each sound. This time we really have to go through all of them, and we'll just go in order here. So we have the short A sound. The short A is the sound ah. So when spoken slowly, the lips are really pretty wide, ah, and the throat is a little bit tight. I recommend practicing that way, and then as you get used to it, you can move the mouth a little less, but you will still have a good sound. Let's try the 3 words in our diagram. Asset, laptop, platform. Great. Now we have a little variation on this sound. We have a slight change when we have A by N or M. We have a little sound that comes at the end. Sounds like this. Air, air. Try the sound in these words. Brand, ambition, grant. Now we have the schwa sound. So here's one we do already know. Let's practice our neutral vowel, with the A spelling. Apply, material, summarize. Now we have the open A. This is the sound ah. The jaw is a bit open. Everything else is relaxed. And this is the exact same sound as the short O in hot or laptop. Let's practice with these words. Water, firewall, launch, law. Notice that the AU and AW spellings indicate this sound. The U and W are just silent. Okay, we have one more. This is the long A sound, the sound of the letter name, A. Break even, maintain, baseline. Now a little information. The short A sound, also that A by N or M, it's a short spelling, but not short in sound. Americans tend to exaggerate the sounds, ah and air. So they are actually big sounds, but short spellings, meaning that only the letter A might be there. So simple spelling, but big sound. For that open A, we have some spelling patterns. Here it's not perfect. You do have to learn when to use this sound, word by word. But we have some patterns. For instance, AW, AU, AL, AR, and often WA. And the open A is another big sound. We tend to exaggerate it. Launch, law. And in fact, this can make the open A different from the schwa. Think about the difference between let's launch our project after lunch. Launch, lunch. Finally, that long A sound. Again, a pretty big sound. So most of our A sounds are actually long, big sounds, except the schwa, which is always kind of short and quick. So another noticeable sound, and here we have a long spelling. For instance, A with a silent E, maybe AI in most words. Common word is like the word rain or the word late with that silent E. Okay, that's an overview of all our American A sounds. That completes this lesson.